Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Explorer. In today's video we show some cool and unique portable chargers and power banks. Power banks come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. So while you're considering which power bank to buy, there are several more things that you should consider than the price alone, and one of them is your lifestyle. The world's latest portable magnetic charging power bank, it is like an aircraft carrier. It is an extremely convenient portable magnetic power bank you can take anywhere. Unlike wall sockets or other portable power bank chargers, what power simplifies. Traditional charging means being chained to a wall socket every time we charge. Some high-capacity power banks are offered on the market, but they are stupid and heavy, and you need to connect the phone with a charging cable. We shouldn't sacrifice convenience for capacity. We should select the best solution to the charging dilemma. That's Power, a new emergency charging solution. This is the ultimate all-in-one MacBook charger you've been waiting for. Charge your MacBook and up to 3 other devices all in one place. Connect and sync USB devices with new USB-C MacBooks. Ditch all the other chargers and dongles and save bag space. PowerUp is the only device that does it all. Get one now for the same price as a standard Apple MacBook charger. Versatile, sleek, compact. PowerUp isn't just a MacBook charger, it's also a USB hub and charging station for your devices. Leave the mountain of chargers at home and charge your MacBook, phone, tablet, and other devices all in one place. PowerUp's 60W AC power can simultaneously charge your USB-C MacBook and up to 3 USB devices. PowerUp lets you connect and sync all your USB devices with new USB-C model MacBooks. Modern, functional and fun, Connex is looking to change the cables that power our devices, compatible with all modern Apple or Android devices. The Connex cable is a smart cable that improves on the design of existing cables, being shorter, which prevents tangles, but not so short as to make it difficult to use. It can stretch and gives you a great deal of flexibility to connect devices at a distance and awkward uneven port level, and immediately returns to its original form. The Connex cable is a smart cable that improves on the design of existing cables, being shorter, which prevents tangles, but not so short as to make it difficult to use. Thanks to the silicone's elasticity and physical strength, it can stretch and gives you a great deal of flexibility to connect devices at a distance and awkward uneven port level, and immediately returns to its original form. If you have a bunch of different devices that you use for work and play, you might want an external storage solution that will work for all of them. Perhaps you use an iPhone for work, an Android device at home, a Mac for school, and a Windows PC in the office. Being able to save data from each of those devices to a single flash drive would save time for many of us. This is where the new device called the FlexCard comes in. FlexCard is a universal flash drive for all devices. It allows you to copy and move files to and from any of those devices. It can also be used to charge any device from an iPhone to your Android device from the computer without a charging cable. It also supports streaming of movies and music directly from the FlexCard device. If you keep your device in a case, the Flex Drive will work with your device without having to remove the case. Stop wasting your money on weak, gimmicky, uncertified cables that don't last. The Volta charger changes the game with strong, tangle-free military-grade protection materials that never breaks. The Volta charger also features a reversible magnetic connection that connects instantly every single time with all your devices. The Volta charger is X15 stronger than other charging cables out there. Unlike those lame cables you've wasted money on in the past, the Volta charger features seamless connection every single time. Two perfectly aligned and 52-grade neodymium reversible magnets in 360 degrees orientation at both ends delivers an immediate, powerful connection instantly. No more stabbing your device to death trying to connect for a charge. The way PRSRV works is very simple. You connect your USB cable to PRSRV while charging your phone. Once your mobile is fully charged, the electric supply stops going to the phone and starts PRSRVing the energy within the power bank. PRSRV also has an ejectable credit card-shaped battery that fits inside your wallet, thus making it the first power bank in the world that can be used in two different locations simultaneously. PRSRV is an 8,000 mAh power bank that you connect your phone with overnight instead of a normal mobile charger. Once your phone is fully charged, the electric supply stops going to the phone and is redirected to the power bank. This preserves your battery life and keeps your phone from draining even faster over time. The F.100 is a versatile and powerful flashlight built from the ground up for your next adventure. High-powered 1000 lumen CRE LED, fast charging enabled, magnetic lanyard, and an adaptable mounting system, the F.100 is the sort of torch you can take with you anywhere. The F.100 can charge your phone and get you out of trouble. Camping, driving, or just about town, you can rest assured you have your power needs covered. Equipped with a USB-C port under the tail cap, it delivers a 5V1A supply to your tech. It also comes with a 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery which can be swapped out. Need more capacity? Just bring along another battery, a great way to customize your charging needs.